search a mutual fund on the app is very easy. On the home page, you have the option of trade and quote down below. Click on that and it will redirect you to another page. On the top, you have the option of mutual funds. Click on that and you will be able to search the scheme you like. We even provide you with the fund of the month, funds we like as well as SIPs we like. So if you wish to know more about it, you can click on the same and know more. Or from the home page, you can even go to the burger menu. You have the mutual funds option here. Click on the plus. Go on the mutual fund overview. It will take you to another page. To search the mutual fund of your choice, you have the option of invest/NAV down below. Click on the same and it will take you to another page wherein you can search the scheme you like. So, based on the mutual fund name or AMC, you can type in here. Let's say I type in Axis. So you will have Axis All schemes, debt schemes, equity schemes, hybrid schemes, and so on. Or you can even use the mic icon here. So click on that and all the mutual funds you can see over here. Let's say I click on Axis Equity Schemes and all the different schemes are shown to you with the rating and NAV and its returns over different time horizon. I can click on the same, either do a lump sum, SIP, take a look at the fund details or add it to a market watch.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.